There you are. Let's go. Taking a little look up high and then a little look down low. Good girl. Yeah, don't let that fool you. That may look like the easy way down. Ooh, look at those cables holding this stuff in line. Oh, is that going right through a rock? Oh, they've just attached it to a rock. Really? Wow. Yep, on both sides. All right, all right. That's just to keep something from getting killed under that log, I guess, huh? Yeah. Okay, I see that now. Where'd you go, doll? This way. Ah, I thought you were getting ready to go potty. Okay. Target? Yes. Yes. Good. Thank you very much. Good girl. Just a little target practice. What's that? What's that? Good girl. Right. This is going to be the best way down. Well, let's take little Kimber out there. All right, what is that? That's just a leaf with a drop of water hanging on it. Oh my. Wow. Let me get the light behind that. That is incredible. Wow. Okay. Let's go see the water. Oh, almost no stagnant pools today. What you think, pretty? What you think, pretty? Are you gonna get into water? It's a little cold for those tootsies. Now, if she would have dressed properly, we could walk on that sandbar, but I'm not gonna go this way because she will want to follow me. I'll follow you. Let's go. Good girl. We're gonna go back up. Looks like this is the only beach we got today. All right. It's only getting warmer. Hello, spring. There will come a day when we will hop right in that water. Come along. Good girl. Let's go see. Sure. Nice. Oh, nice little boat put in, huh? Yeah. Sweet. That's a perfect little swimming hole, too. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Gee whiz. You could literally come down here with a float and hang out because of the, well, that water is moving, but I'm thinking like right here, you'd stay. Okay, maybe you could anchor yourself. Beautiful. All right. All right. What do you say, Missy? I guess let's go turn around, go this way now. Oh, look at those whole trees out there on the sandbar. Oh my. You wanna go this way? Oh, yeah, we would have still had to cross that. Yeah, that's all right. All right, let's revisit plantar fasciitis, shall we? Good girl. Let's go. Come on. All right. I've shared with you my discoveries and my experiments. And here we go. Here's my next discovery, all right? Not only is it important, the footfall, and that you pick up each foot, articulate each foot on each step, and work on strengthening your feet because your shoes are the problem. Good girl. All right. All right, so here we go. It helps that out a lot when you start paying attention to the muscles that hold the bones in place. And so, you know, just like you would in the gym, proper form. So pay attention to your skeleton. Identify what's going on with your skeleton. Put in the corrections necessary. All right, for me, it was a pelvic tilt. This happens when your stomach muscles get weak. So those muscles, close your eyes and think with me here, those muscles would allow for improper form. Continuous utilization of improper form will cause deviation. That's it. Well, here we are. Everybody have a wonderful day.